couple of Nitro fans? Come on, how's the Nitro fans out there? They're much better. You notice they're in opposite lanes this time too.
Interesting.
Yes. Here they come to life. Get ready for the Nitro Flames, ladies and gentlemen. This is going to be special. Nitro methane at night here, Pirates under the light. The Frantic Jeweler here in the left lane. And here's the over the right lane. I'll tell you what, that's the smart one. That car was flying the first time around. Let's see what happens this time around. Frantic Jeweler. How about that, ladies and gentlemen? Header flames coming out 10, 15 feet in the air in both lanes. They got a little squirrely out there, started to head towards the wall and center line, and wisely lifted just past the 8th mile mark, but huge performance. What a great view from up here in the tower, and I hope you folks enjoyed that. The header flames of nitromethane at night. Nothing cooler than that. You ready to make a pass once the top end's cleared? A fun event. One more time before I get it fired up. Let's hear it. system. I can't even read that anymore. 266 miles an hour. All I see in the left lane, 280 miles an hour in the right lane. Yeah, there was a red light over there, and of course, Holmstrom went red.